The man who wants to lead the orchestra must turn his back on the crowd. The darkest hour is just before dawn. A person who loves you will never leave you, even if he has 100 reasons to give up. The monkey never knows what height the banana wants to reach. A smile is a curve that sets everything straight. The one who loves you will not make you cry. A child who washes his hands well eats with the elders. No matter how dark the night, morning always comes. He who is outside his door has the hardest part of his journey behind him. The one who follows the crowd will usually get no further than the crowd. A person who does not know where he comes from will never get to his destination. A seed only flourishes in the right soil. A seed only flourishes in the right soil. He who knows the path can never get lost. If you want peace, prepare for war. The frog enjoys the water, but not the heat of the pot. A man who makes no mistakes does not usually make anything. No matter how far a river flows, it never forgets its source. Words are like spears. Once they leave your mouth, you can't take them back. The best way to eat an elephant is one bite at a time. If you want to get to know someone, listen to their stories. A person who seeks revenge should dig 2 graves. The beauty of a woman is not in the clothes she wears, the figure that she carries, or the way she combs her hair, but in her eyes. To be without a friend is to be poor indeed. Unity is strength, division is weakness. The one who loves you will make you weep. A person who is not loved cannot be beautiful. The sun will always shine on those who stand before it, shining in their path. Smooth seas do not make skillful sailors. Wisdom is like a baobab tree. No one individual can embrace it. The person who doesn't know where his next step will land should watch his footing. The wise create proverbs for fools to learn, not to repeat. No matter how far you have gone on the wrong road, you can always turn back. Only a fool tests the depth of a river with both feet. No one can climb the ladder of success with both hands in their pockets. Don't count the days, make the days count. A man who pays respect to the great paves the way for his own greatness. An old woman is always uneasy when dry bones are mentioned in a proverb. No matter how hard the past, you can always begin again. The child you sired hasn't sired you. The man who removes a mountain begins by carrying away small stones. The only thing we have to fear is fear itself. Silence is the fence around wisdom. If the right hand washes the left hand, they both become clean. He who is not patient cannot eat ripe fruit. Good things come to those who wait. The wise shepherd does not give the same food to every sheep. A tongue has no bones, but it can break bones.